So this was the state of my hair as at June 9th, 2024, after my huge setback in April. I actually blow dried my hair before making the protective hairstyle that I took down, so my hair is actually pretty stretched, and this is the state of my hair as at December 4th. Yes, December 4th. This is my hair in its blow dried state. As you can see, it's pretty long after my 6 month eye hair challenge. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been officially 6 months since I have been leaving my hair in twist. If you have been following me or if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I left my hair in twist for 6 months. Not like I left it for 6 months, but what I did was every month after washing my hair, I would take down one twist, take it down, retwist it back. Like I didn't do my hair like the entire hair, just because I wanted to minimize breakages and also to retain length. And that is because I did hit a huge setback sometime in April, May, which made me do what I did. So I said I was going to measure my growth to see if my hair actually grew or if I was able to retain length at least. So it's been officially 6 months, and today I am going to be measuring the part of hair where I measured. Even though I didn't measure my hair when I started, I think I measured my hair 3 months into the challenge. I don't know why I forgot, sometime in August I think. So I'm going to be measuring the same part of my hair here and here, just to see if I was able to retain length or if I was able to grow some inches. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. So I decided to put my hair up so we can have enough room to actually measure my hair. So this is the same side I measured the last time. I left it in twist, so I didn't change side. I didn't change any side, it's the same side. And this is the same tape as well, so I'm going to be using that. Don't forget, I did that in August. I'm going to put the date. I did that in August, so from August to now it's about 3 months. Today is December 4th. So I'm very sure my hair was, as at August when I did my left side was at 16 inches. So I'm very sure my hair was below 16 inches at the beginning of the challenge. But we're going to be measuring the difference between August to today, being December 6th. So yeah, so as at August, like I said, my left side was 16 inches. I hope I'm getting it. It was 16 inches. So I don't know if you guys can see, or yeah. Oh wow. I feel like my hair grew, even though I have some thin, like thin strands. Oh my god, I need to do this again. Sorry. Let me remove all this. Okay. Like I said, in August, this left side was 16 inches. So today is 4th December. So let's see if we gained some inches or we're able to retain length at least. Even if we don't grow inches, we should be able to retain length. This is a bit difficult to do. It's actually, I have some short strands. Wow. It's about 17.5. I don't know if you guys can see. The last time, I don't know if I'm holding it right, it's about 17.5. That's about 1.5 inches. Yeah, that's about 1.5. That is really nice. At least I was able to retain and also grow some inches. So I'm doing it again just to be sure. As you can see, so the last time I did my right side, it was on 15 inches. Like I said, my left grows faster than my right, or I don't know why it was like that, but it was 15 inches. So now we're going to try. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to be very careful so I don't cut myself. Yeah, so wait, what? 17 inches. I'm doing this again, like, from 15 to 17. That's to say it actually grew more than my left side. But wait, this is almost unbelievable, guys. Well, it is what it is, right? My hair grew. There's nothing I can do if it actually grew, even though I have thin, like some thin strands. Well, yeah, it is what it is. 17 inches. So it did grow 17 inches. I also did this, and the last time I said it was just below my breast. So this is where my breast, can you guys see, for my right side. So from here to here, I actually gained some inches, even though it's very thin. I'm going to be trimming my hair, like after washing and blow drying. I'm going to be trimming my hair, but it feels good knowing that my hair actually grew. Look, I don't know if you guys can see, but and this is my left side. The last time it was just a little below my breast, but at the same time it's right here, even though it's thin, but I don't care. I grew inches. That's the most important thing right now to me, guys. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm going to be washing my entire hair, do a proper protein treatment, blow dry my hair, trim my hair, and all of that. So I will see you in my next video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this entire challenge. And yes, I'm going to be doing it again. See you in my next video. Bye.